I admire that plucky little fellow, Akash. He is so cheerful despite his lame leg, said Mr. Varghese. So now Nakul hears someone talking, most probably his masters were talking, and they were discussing about Akash. Okay, so what they were saying, being a handicapped child, he was very cheerful. Okay, so he was very much happy and he is very optimistic. Optimistic means thinking very positive. So you're right. I have been watching him and really marvel at how courageously he faces things. Agreed the games master. So here the conversation is going on between the Vergis, Mr. Vergis, and the games master, and the conversation was about the Akash. Okay, so this was heard by Nakul. So do you know he is always ready to help others? So they were discussing how Akash attitude was towards the other students, okay, and how he was cheerful. We could certainly do with more boys like Akash, Mr. Verghese remarked. So he was saying that we can do, we can sure do. Certainly means sure. We can join more boys like Akash in our school. So his cheerfulness in the face of difficulties is proving to be a good example to others. So they thought, were thinking about Akash by saying the attitude, how he faces the difficulties while being a lame person. Lame means handicapped. Okay. I heard from the headmaster that Akash was keen on joining this school as a boarder. That is, keen means he has interest in joining the boarding school, though his parents were reluctant. Reluctant means unwillingly. Okay, the parents was not willing to join their son to the rough and tumble of boarding. Rough means though they may be doing in boarding school, they have to do their own work, right? So they thought that it won't be suitable for Akash. In spite of that, Akash was very much interested to join the boarding school. Nakul looked thoughtful when he heard all this. He recalled the numerous times when Akash had gone out of his way to help him, though he could have easily looked the other way. Times when Nakul, had caught a fleeting glimpse of pain in the Akash eyes when his leg hurt and he thought that no one was watching him. So now Akash was recollecting all the incidents which happened earlier. Okay. And while he was doing everything, though it was a pain in his leg, it doesn't matter what it may be. So Akash, he went through it, and he even watches whether no one watches him. Okay, and he never mind the hurt in his leg, and he was very much eager to help others. Nakul admitted to himself that Akash's cheerful positive outlook was like a bracing tonic which influenced his own way of thinking. So he says that Nakul admitted. So he was very much impressed by the Akash cheerful and positive mind he was thinking. Okay. He also admitted that his constant grumbling must be irritating to someone who liked to look at the bright side of things. So he says that it may be for irritating to someone who would like to look only the bright side, that is the positive sides. Okay, so the next day, Nakul saw Akash among the spectators at the football match between the classes 7 and 8. So, what happened the next day? He saw Akash. He was sitting among spectators, means the audience, sitting in the football match. The match was between the classes 7th and 8th. Come on, Rahul, get the ball and pass it on to Deepak, who's nearer the goal. Akash yelled encouragingly. So what happened? Akash was yelling up. Yelled means nothing but shouting with a joyful manner to encouraging manner. Okay, so he was cheering them. I am sorry for leaving you in a huff yesterday. Nakul touched Akash's arms. So he was very much sorry to Akash, who Nakul, for leaving him yesterday. It's okay, friends again. Akash smiled. So he was offering the friendship again. I admire you despite your handicap. You are always cheerful. Doesn't it hurt that you can't join in the games? Nakul asked. So he says that he was very much admired to see that even though he was handicapped, he was very much cheerful in any situation, and even asked that whether he doesn't hurt as he was not joining in any games. Okay, so this was asked by Nakul to Akash. So hereby you have to get through the conversation between whom they are talking. Okay, just note it down. Okay, it did hurt at first, Akash confessed. So he's saying that it was hurting at first. That means now he is not. Okay. And I was very touchy about it too, till my grandma told me. So this was the change which was brought in Akash by whom? By grandma's words. What was the grandma's words? We will see. No one wants to weep with you if you are all always sad. So she's saying that no one will weep. Weep means they won't weep the cries. If at all you are crying, they won't weep it out. If you are sad, lonely you will never be if you all brave and glad. So they saying that you won't be loneliness. There won't be any loneliness if you are brave and glad. Okay, search the clouds, you are sure to see a gleam of light will follow. So she said that search for the clouds. Okay, surely there will be a light which will follow. Though today is grim and grey, remember there's tomorrow. So she says that though there may be dullness in your life today, but there will be a brightness tomorrow. Okay, so these were the words, precious words, which has been shared by the grandma of Akash to Akash. Okay, I realized then that I couldn't go through life with a chip on my shoulder. So he's saying that chip on my shoulder is nothing but an angry attitude. So he says that I cannot go out with always being an angry attitude. Okay, so that others in the world are worse than me. So he says that when compared to other persons, when compared to Akash, there are many other persons who are worse than him. So he thinks of them and he goes through in his life. So I decided to spread cheer in my own way, Akash explained. So he says that by thinking of the other people, he himself made a decision to be always cheerful in his life. So this was a great attitude towards the life by Akash. Okay, so he's saying that being any difficulty faced in your life, there must be a positive attitude towards anything in your life, and there must be a egoless character in your life, so that you may get a success in your life. Okay, so hope this lesson would have been understood by you. Just go through the lesson. This is a best lesson, like making a success, how you can make a success in your life with a good attitude, positive attitude. Okay, being a optimistic person. Optimistic means positive thinking. Okay, just go through it. It is an easy and you can do it. Okay, so with this I will be sending some of the word meanings so that it will be helpful for you to go through the lesson. Thank you.